In the dense, verdant jungles of Central America, hidden in the shadows of time, lay the remnants of a once great civilization, the Maya. For centuries, their intricate and enigmatic glyphs stood as a testament to their grandeur, yet shrouded in mystery, their meanings remained elusive. The year was 1839, and a young scholar named John Lloyd Stephens, driven by an insatiable curiosity, embarked on an expedition to unravel the secrets of the Mayan world. Armed with his keen intellect and a rudimentary understanding of the glyphs, he delved into the heart of the jungle, guided by the whispers of ancient ruins. As he deciphered the glyphs, one by one, the veil of mystery began to lift, revealing the rich tapestry of Mayan history. He discovered tales of their gods, their kings, their victories, and their tragedies. A civilization that had once stretched across thousands of square miles, teeming with cities, pyramids, and a population numbering in the millions, began to take shape. However, it was not until the 1850s that a breakthrough occurred. An English cleric named Alfred Maudslay, inspired by Stephens' work, began his own exploration. He meticulously copied thousands of glyphs, painstakingly piecing together a vast corpus of Mayan inscriptions. In 1858, a British scholar named Sir Henry Charles Lea, analyzing Maudslay's work, made a groundbreaking discovery. He identified a series of glyphs that represented numbers, opening the door to a new understanding of the Mayan calendar and their complex mathematical system. The decipherment of the Mayan glyphs not only shed light on the Maya's past, but also reshaped our understanding of Mesoamerican history. Today, these ancient scripts continue to captivate scholars and enthusiasts alike, offering a unique window into the rich and complex civilization that once thrived in the heart of the Americas. In the end, the Mayan glyphs, once a testament to a lost civilization, became a key to unlocking the secrets of its past, reminding us of the enduring allure of history and the power of human curiosity.